Shonga found out that Lehasa Maphosa is Mantuli's son-in-law, and Upigi thinks that they must just kidnap Mantuli so they can get ransom money from Lehasa because he's loaded. Evelyn decided to sign Ushonge up for a singing competition in Joburg, but he cannot go because that's going to expose him, and the kids are already excited. And then Mr. Khomo finds out that I've applied for a post at the hospital. Sibiti sent me later to say that she must not be hired because Ukotsu Mutol. Pretty has poked the wrong people. Now Chivasa is getting her car inspected, probably tampering with her brakes. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Scheme Sam. So Ushongwe is nervous. He's nerve-wracked when he found out that Lehasa Maphosa is Mantuli's son-in-law. Unyetsi Pretty, Ngwana Mantuli. Now he's panicking, asking Mantuli some questions about when he comes and all that. And realizes the day that he was cooking for a guest, he was actually cooking for Lehasa Maphosa. Now he's worried because Mantuli said Lehasa just shows up anytime because of his businesses in TEF. And then Evelyn makes things worse by signing up Ushongwe in a choir singing competition in Joburg. Ushongwe thinks, no man, we cannot do that because the kids are not ready. But no, their voices are perfect, we're ready. I was very impressed. Even the principal is picking that up. Now Carol is busy questioning Ubigi about Ushongwe, saying, how do you know him? You guys are friends. Avume ke naye ubhiki ukuthi ya wamutsiba uyamazi ushongwe, they are friends. Now Carol is telling Evelyn ukuthi ushongwe uma sexolo neobhiki they are friends, while ushongwe has told Evelyn that he is not friends with that guy was just asking for a job. Now ushongwe is worried about this competition because it's in Joburg. If he goes to Joburg as Mr. Xulu, while people know him, while he is actually ushongwe, he's going to expose himself. Now the kids are excited because Evelyn decided to go and announce to the kids and tell them they're going to Joburg to sing. But he cannot go and tells them, this is difficult, we are not going until Nakirirai. So he goes and vents to Biggie, saying as Lento Lehlanga, do you know that Lehasa Maphosa is a son-in-law who must stand wami? Ngapha, he's just panicking. If he finds out I'm here, I'm dead, everything is a mess. But Big is so unserious and nonchalant and goes and says, let's just kidnap Umantuli, your master wako, so that we can get ransom money from Ulihas. Are you crazy? Are you out of your mind? As Big is so not serious, hey? Manje reminds him, can you look at my hands? Imagine when he finds out that the sign Brad Sykes Unowa is also in town. He's going to lose his mind. Now Mr. Khomo talks to Paxton about his mom. Paxton is really not yet that ready to forgive his mom for what she did, leaving him like that and being with Ukhopane kwa Mozambique. And Papa is just trying to say, this is a fresh start for us. But when he left with Khopane, how do we move past that? And then Melissa is in her feels because Ivy's back in town, not even preparing breakfast, saying Lily Nalmazo. And then Mr. Khomo finds out that Ivy applied for the counseling position at the hospital. Why didn't you tell me, I'm not your PA, Mr. Khomo. I said, na PA how? He goes home and tells Melita about it. Melita is in her feels going, Unyakang, if nane kile HR nenkase mahayari. Sibiti Melita, she says what's Ivy ukut. I think Melita's feeling threatened. If Ivy comes to work at the hospital, then she'll be closer to Mr. Home, and she doesn't trust herself. Remember, the same way you get your man is the same way you lose him. So she's feeling threatened. Ivy might just snatch her man back. Now, Uwuli is no quiz. Apparently they're friends and says finally Uchibas has agreed to give her what they agreed on. And Batufam Julia Upriti has went and digged in his past or in his life. Now she's worried he must back down on the offer of giving her Indlu and the shares. Pretty is digging Ushibase. Asked Peterson to dig. Peterson is like, this man is clean. Please don't go around poking your nose where it doesn't belong because it's a messy world out there. Lehasa comes and they cannot continue talking about it because she cannot discuss work. But Lehasa says he saw some people looking at Pretty's car. Is something wrong with the car? Why didn't she tell him? Pretty's like, no, I didn't call anyone. So now it means Uchivas is now telling Pretty and digging into her car. How dangerous is that? Yazophritha uzolimala before her wedding. And then Unowa asked Ulieto ukuthi, was it that bad that you and my mom didn't work out? Ulieto's like, no man, it's not like that. I said, but I get it. You seem happy living this bachelor life. I think that's why you did not want to adopt me. Shempwanoa thinks if Nana Lilieto, maybe his life would have turned out differently. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.